Hey everyone, welcome back to the library. June is here and it's time for our summer reading program. Our theme this year is Tales and Tales. Our programming will be based around animals and the stories in which you can find them. This month, we have a special take and make kit for teens inspired by Brian Jake's Redwall series. Our Redwall journal kit comes with a mini journal that you can customize to make your own tales. It also comes with colored pencils and a printed guide with writing prompts and information about the Tales of Redwall, and some tips on how to use the kit components with your journal. Also included in this kit is a feather pen that you can craft yourself. Instructions on how to put it together are included in the kit, but let's go ahead and make one today, and I'll include some tips and tricks along the way. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and put together the feather pen that you're going to find in your take and make kit this month, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you're going to find a feather, a pen, refill, and some string in your kit, and you're going to need these to make the feather pen. First thing you want to do is look at the bottom part of your feather where the quill is, and you're going to essentially be taking this and fitting it into this quill. So what you want to do, if there's not enough room to actually fit it in, you're going to have to trim off some of the tip of the quill. Scissors work best. If it doesn't quite get, if you don't have quite strong enough scissors, you might want to try maybe an X-Acto knife, but be very careful. Try to just use scissors because it's safer. So you kind of want to go to the thicker part of the feather. It is kind of hard to cut. Ooh, I made a mess. You're going to want to clean that out a little bit so that you can actually get it to fit in there. You can just use the tip of your scissors if they're small enough. Okay, so we're going to just stick it in there like that. Now, a couple of things you can do. Whew, got me glitchy. So a couple of things you can do at this point. You can take some glue and you can use that to secure the pin a little bit better. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just use your string. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the string, starting at the far end, or at the very closest part, and we're going to wrap it tightly around. And it's going to make kind of a grip for you. Make sure you get it wound real tight. Then what you want to do, once you get it about the way you want it, you're going to take the ends of your string on both sides and you're just going to tie it down. And then, take your scissors and trim the excess string off. Definitely not to cut your knots. And there you have it. We have our very own quill pen. Thanks for watching, everyone. The Take and Make kits will be available all month long while supplies last. So stop by the library to pick yours up, and good luck on this year's summer reading challenge. We'll see you next time.